Hi, this is me again with Corel Tips and Tricks Part 3. She wants Panther volleyball in on this page. But if you don't uh, text the path it a little bit, I think that looks pretty good. Well, let's see if we can't make it look better. So we're going to move these out of the way. Matter of fact, let's put them back equal. There we go. And you cannot text a path to two stacks of letters. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a duplicate of that box and move it over there. Normally I would like to cut this off, but there's so many nodes. So I'm going to, and there's a lot of things you could do. I'm going to just mimic that line. That curve, you can see how much of a curve it is. And then we're going to nudge that out of the way. I'm going to take see how I grab the shape tool and it's going right to left. We need to right click it and make it go left to right. And then we can make a duplicate of that. And I'm not going to worry about nudging it because I'm going to have to hand place it in there anyway. And then we're just going to text the path these two words. So grab the Panther, go up to text. Text the path, put it in there, doesn't really matter, put it on that line, grab that, text the path, put it on that line, and then grab them both and go to object and break the four objects apart, and then just manually move them over here. We don't need the line. And then set your nudge factor on something pretty little. And I don't, it doesn't really gonna change the ball that much. But if you set your nudge factor on like 0.01 and kind of zoom in, at least they're on the same angle. And, this way you can nudge just a little bit at a time. They are curved. They kind of go along with the ball. And to prove they're kind of curved, if we look at this on an even keel, see how you can actually see how it's curved quite a bit. That's how I would do it. Now, if it was one single line, then you could text the path right in the middle and be done. But she wants it stacked so the letters can be bigger and be read on the t-shirt. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.